Welcome to Quinn Sprint. I hope everything's going well for you. Welcome to Mastered Potential Energy. Time to prove it with 45 AP-style questions. Beat the challenge, drop your score below, and join Quinn Sprint for your next quiz. Easy level. Which type of energy is stored because of an object's position? Potential energy. Which force is responsible for gravitational potential energy near Earth's surface? Gravity. Which unit measures potential energy? Joule. Which variable increases gravitational potential energy when mass stays the same? Height. A backpack is lifted onto a locker shelf. Its gravitational potential energy increases. Which object has the greatest gravitational potential energy? Basketball on a roof. Which equation represents gravitational potential energy? MGH. What happens to potential energy when height doubles? Doubles. Which object has zero gravitational potential energy if the floor is the reference level? On floor. Which energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Elastic. Medium level. Compressing a spring increases its potential energy. Which quantity does not affect gravitational potential energy? Speed. Which object has the least potential energy? Book on floor. What type of energy does a drawn bow store? Elastic. As a skateboard rolls downhill, gravitational potential energy changes into kinetic energy. A 2 kilograms book is lifted from a desk to a higher shelf. Which quantity directly increases its gravitational potential energy? Height. If an object's mass doubles while its height stays the same, its gravitational potential energy will double. A stretched spring stores which type of energy? Elastic. Which graph would best represent gravitational potential energy versus height? Linear. Two identical backpacks are placed at different heights. The higher backpack has greater potential energy. Hard level. Which variable remains nearly constant near Earth's surface? Gravity. A diver stands on a 10-meter platform before jumping. At that moment, most of the diver's energy is potential. If an object falls freely, gravitational potential energy is mainly converted into kinetic. Which object has the greatest gravitational potential energy? One kilogram at 8 m. Why does a compressed spring have potential energy? Deformed. Which object is raised from 2 m to 6 m? Its gravitational potential energy will increase. Which quantity has the greatest effect on gravitational potential energy if mass remains constant? Height. As a pendulum swings downward, gravitational potential energy decreases. Which object stores elastic potential energy? Stretched slingshot. Which statement about potential energy is true? It can be stored. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.